Hello everyone, I am Jashanpreet Kaur. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a QuiAri global promoter. So in this video today I'm gonna unbox the new QuiAri product. Well, I have ordered Kickstart combo pack which I received today morning, and I received my parcel in just 5 days. So let's unbox this pack and let's see what's inside. So before proceeding further, I would like to request you please like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, this is package which I received today. So now let's open it. Here is one more package. So guys, this is the QuiAri Energy tablet. In this tablet box we have 60 tablets in it, and this is QuiAri chocolate shake. So let's open this, guys. This is QuiAri chocolate shake, which I'm gonna taste it right now. This is damn delicious, guys. So if you are a chocolate lover, then you should try. So basically guys, QuiAri has launched 3 type of combos. First one is Kickstart combo pack, the second one is starter pack, the another one is lifestyle. So I'm gonna tell you how much does it cost. The Kickstart combo plan is cost around $125. The starter pack is cost around $250, and the lifestyle pack is cost around $500. So guys, I just want to share my experience with you all. I hope you like the video. If you like my video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.